ocean breeze hitting my skin. We got the clear waters, the light colored sand on my feet. It makes me think it's the simple things in life that reminds me that we can take this all away, but that won't bring me down, because I'm ready for the weekend away. As the party rocks, I'm sipping champagne. I'm on that holiday. I'm drinking champagne. I'm on that holiday. I'm on that holiday. Yeah, yeah. I'm on that holiday. Yeah, yeah. Come on. In the morning, I gotta get up early, gotta hit it, then be on the road. Yeah, waiting on the weekend. When the weekend comes, you and me gonna be on again. Oh, oh. Days just ain't the same as days. You victim of the sun. But I'm ready for the weekend away. Now as the party rocks,
I'm drinking up, settling down, weekend away, I'm out of town. You know you never wanna leave, just temporary heaven alone. I'm out on vacation. We got to get away one time. Say we got to get away sometimes. Wale, don't tell them what I
I'm sipping champagne. I'm on that holiday.
I said I'm drinking,
I'm drinking champagne. I'm on that holiday. I'm on that holiday. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
I'm on that holiday. Yeah, yeah.
This is our last morning here. We were just about to leave, just getting our stuff together, heading on out back to Auckland. Gonna miss us. Miss these sunrises, sunsets, especially. Hey, look at this. Sun is just popping up over the hill. Oh well. Franklin, you've been bloody great. Until next time. Peace. Alright, this is it. We're done. We're heading out now, going home. Rainfully Road. Franklin, you've been so good to us. Gonna miss this place. One more look. Last look around. We out of here.